Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Gomati. In this video, we are going to talk about the complete learning path of Google Looker Studio. So, before we understand the complete learning path, let us understand what is Google Looker. So, Google Looker is a business intelligence and data analytics platform that allows user to connect, visualize, and analyze their data in a meaningful way. So Looker is acquired by Google in 2020 and is now part of a Google Cloud platform. With Looker, we can create interactive dashboards, build custom reports, and perform ad hoc analysis of their data. So, Looker allows user to connect to a variety of data sources such as SQL database, cloud storage services, NoSQL, and many more databases. So Looker also offers a data modeling layer that allows user to define business logic and create a single source of truth for their data. So Looker is similar to Power BI or what we call Tableau. Okay, so the main key feature of Looker is ability to allow business users to easily explore their data without requiring technical expertise, which means everyone can learn Looker because it is having a simple drag and drop functionality, very user friendly interface, which makes it easy for non technical users to create visualization and reports. So, Looker provides a business with a powerful tool for unlocking insights from their data and making data driven decisions. So, as I told, you can use Power BI as well for visualization. So, for visualization, if you know about Power BI, then Looker is also a similar business intelligence tool which is offered to us by Google, whereas Power BI is offered to us by Microsoft. Okay, and we have Tableau. Tableau is also a business intelligence tool which is offered by Salesforce. Okay, so likewise we have various things like a quick view, quick sense, many things we have. Okay, so now in this video we are going to talk about the Google Looker Studio. So I have segregated that into a basic, intermediate, and advanced level. So in basic level, we will be learning a few concepts. Okay, so the first one is like getting started. So in getting started, you should learn navigating the Looker Studio interface. So how to launch Google Looker Studio? Google Looker Studio, as I told, it's a cloud platform, so you don't want to download and install anything. You just want to launch the Google Looker Studio. If you wanted to know about Looker Studio, just leave your message. I will give you a detailed learning, that is a detailed tutorial on how to use Google Looker Studio. And next one is connecting to the data sources, creating your first report. So this is what the very easiest way, okay, to get started working with the data. So you should understand how the data models and schemas work, creating and managing the fields, filtering and aggregating data, working with dates and time periods. So this is working with data. Creating a report, you should understand the report types like what is a chart, what is a table, what is a pivot, and everything. You will be creating a basic report and visualization, customizing report format and styles, creating basic calculation and metrics. So this calculation is similar to DAX in Power BI, expressions or formula in Excel. Okay, so everything are same. Only thing is your interface will differ. Okay, the name might be different, so that is the little difference. Creating a dashboard, understanding dashboard components, what is a tiles, what is a filter, what is a card, so all these things. Creating and managing dashboard, sharing dashboards with other users, how you can share the dashboard, and adding interactivity to the dashboard. And in basic, the final thing is what is the best practices. So designing effective reports and dashboards, how you can design an effective report, implement data governance and security measures in your Google Looker, collaborating with other users in Looker, and ensuring data accuracy and consistency. So these things you should learn in basic level. If you go to the advanced level, we have LookML. Okay, so you should understand what is that LookML. In LookML, you will be learning the structure of LookML. Okay, creating and managing LookML models, using LookML to create complex reports and dashboards, working with LookML extensions and libraries. And in integrations, you have to learn integrating Looker with cloud platforms like Google Cloud, Amazon Web Services, etc., Microsoft as well, using API to connect Looker with other tools and platforms. So I have already discussed about API in a separate video. You can learn about it. API concept is similar, though it is in the Business Central playlist, but the concept of API is same. Integrating Looker with a SQL database and warehouse, working with data pipelines and ETL tools. Okay, and in the administration level, managing roles and permissions, configuring Looker settings and preferences, creating and managing user defined functions, monitoring and optimizing Looker performance. So this is under administration. Under best practices, you should learn designing effective dashboards and reports, implementing data governance and security, collaborating with other users in Looker, and ensuring data accuracy and consistency. So you can see the same best practices here in the basic, but you should know also in intermediate level, as if you are using a LookML integrations and everything. So you will be learning the best practices based on these things. And troubleshooting, identifying and resolving data modeling issues. Data modeling is all about like integrating all the tables, how to manage the tables, manage the data and everything. Troubleshooting performance problem in the Looker, debugging SQL queries in data pipeline, troubleshooting API and integration issues. So this everything you will be learning in intermediate level. And if we talk about advanced level, so you can see that similar structure is there in advanced as well, like LookML, integration, administration, best practices, and troubleshooting. But it differs based on the level of learning. Okay, so you can see here that in LookML intermediate level you will be learning understanding the structure of LookML, whereas in advanced you will be learning advanced LookML modeling techniques, creating complex data models and hierarchy, and using LookML to create predictive models and machine learning algorithms, developing custom extensions and visuals using Looker API. Okay, so this is the first one. And the second, if you talk about integrations, so if you see in the intermediate integration level, and this is advanced level of integration, so here you can see integrating Looker with big data platforms, implement custom data connectors and APIs using Looker to manage complex data architecture like data lakes. And in administrator level, if you see in intermediate level you have all these things, but in advanced level you have implementing advanced security and governance feature, configuring and managing high availability and disaster recovery, managing and scaling Looker clusters, and automating administration tasks using scripting and API. And in best practices, you can see it will be like implementing best practices for the advanced data modeling, designing performant and scalable dashboards and reports, developing custom applications and use case using Looker's API, collaborating with other teams and stakeholders using Looker. And in troubleshooting, you should know how to resolve complex data modeling and schema issues, diagnosing, resolving advanced performance and scalability problems, troubleshooting complex ETL and data pipeline issue, and resolving API, advanced API and integration issue. So all these things you should learn if you want to become a Looker developer. Okay, so there is a separate learning path for to become a Google Looker Studio data analyst, or there are various roles for every visualization tool and business intelligence tool. So if you want to know specifically for that particular specialization, for example, if you wanted to become a data analyst with the Google Looker Studio, what are the important topics you wanted to learn? If you wanted to know about that, please leave your comment. I'll be definitely helping you out. So hope you find this video useful. I will meet you in the next useful learning path. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.